Hey there, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the valve cover gasket on a 2008 Polaris RZR. So first you got to get the old bolts out, so I recommend using a 1/4-inch impact driver so you don't break a bolt. And it looks like it hits the exhaust manifold. So someone in the RZR forum said that you can remove this without removing the exhaust, but I just don't see a way to get it over the rocker arm. Alright, old gasket is flatter than a pancake. Alrighty, and the gasket is keyed, so you'll notice the key right here. So put that down in that hole, like so, and just put the gasket in. This gasket is a lot plumper than the old one. Now the hard part is getting this back on there without disturbing the gasket. Some people put petroleum jelly in this track to hold it in place, which is looking like it might be a good idea right about now. Okay, so I just put a little dab of petroleum jelly on the gasket, on the track in there, and then put the gasket back in, and it's holding like glue now. So now to put this back down there, still being careful. It's really hard not to get this dirty with this exhaust still in place, so I'd recommend to remove the exhaust if you could. Alright, so you're going to tighten these back down in the order here. I'll show it on the screen. And then you're going to torque them down to, this is number 2, so torque to 84 plus or minus 8 inch-pounds. 84 inch-pounds. I got my torque wrench set to 85 inch-pounds. Alright, so one loosened up considerably after I torqued the rest down, so I tightened it back up.